Hey traders, Spartan here from Cybin thesis that we had. If you guys saw this last couple of weeks, we did have a thesis on this at 25 to 30 cents to go long on this idea. And you know, there's a whole bunch of information here. You can check out the link. I will post it in the description of this video. But so far it's been going good. I just want to give you guys a little update on what I've been seeing, some of the news that's come out in regards to the technical chart, etc., etc. You guys can come check it out here. You got, you know, basically everything from the, you know, all the information in regards to what's coming out, what I've been looking at, the float, basically my breakdown of my thesis, disclaimer at the bottom, of course. Definitely worth checking out my longer thesis, but let's give you guys a quick little summary of what's actually been going on. So we ended up getting in around 25 cents to 30 cent area. Ended up being a really good entry point. We got in around that 50 EMA break. Flag broke to the upside, continuation. Ended up getting around 52 cents, 53 cents on the upside there. So almost 100% or 100% on the trade if you did get it at 25 cents, 26 cents. So that's fantastic. Now daily chart still flagging out to the upside. We're going to be looking for a flag break higher in continuation. I love the accumulation, the big buying that's been going on before this little run up and into the run up itself. The selling has been fairly tight and the consolidation is still quite bullish. We're going to be looking for now this weekly 50 EMA range break to the upside. We're holding the 4 and all other EMA supports in the short term, which is, in my opinion, quite bullish. So that 50 EMA reclaim on the weekly chart at 45 cents is going to be the key for the next leg up. Then I'm going to be looking for, obviously, a push to that 53 cents and into the 63. Now, a couple things that are coming up on the name, if you guys were unaware, and I talked about these before, but a couple things in the pipeline there. We have the CB004 and the CB003. We should have results coming in, phase 1 results coming in, end of or beginning of third quarter to end of third quarter. So I'll be looking for those going forward and some spec money to flow in before those. We saw that they came out with their Embark scalability facilitation program, and this was the most recent news that came out on the 12th. So it's worth giving that a read. And then we did see a couple upgrades as of late. The most notable one was the Canaccord Genuity $6 price target, you know, updated on July 3rd. And you can see a whole bunch of different other, you know, analysts on the stock right now. So worth checking out that in that regard. But from a technical standpoint, the most important thing, guys, is going to be getting above that weekly range, which I do believe it can with the lack of selling volume we're seeing. I think it still stands very bullish. Going to be looking for that flag break and continuation higher in the short term. I'm going to be watching for some updates in regards to their phase 1 studies that should be coming out in the next, I think, a couple of months or sooner. And any other news that we see. They did appoint a new board member. Definitely worth checking out that guy's portfolio, or sorry, bio, and what he's done in the past. Where's his name right here? Sanford R. Kleiman, decent portfolio in the past. Definitely worth checking out. And then they did appoint a new chief operating officer, Aaron here. And again, you know, worth checking out his bio and kind of what he's done in the past. Anywho, guys, that's it. We did see some obviously bullish action in some of the other psilocybin names. I believe it was MAPS that had a decent little push at the beginning of July, and I'm thinking that this one will continue to run in sympathy. This one has a lot more runway, in my opinion, from a risk-reward standpoint to the upside. You know, it's come down quite a bit. Nice little curl off lows has been added into the volume. It's been looking good, so be looking for a continuation higher there. Of course, just my opinion, but that's what I'm watching for now. So downtrend break, get above that 45 cent area on the weekly, and then I think we should be off and running on the next leg up. So just a little bit of a technical update for you, kind of what I've been looking at on the news side of things as well. And as things change, I will let you guys know. Thanks for watching, my friends. Have a good one. Any questions, feel free to reach out, and be sure to check out the actual thesis that we did release before. Read through the entire thing. Definitely some great information there if you want to know a little bit more in depth. All right, thanks for watching, my friends. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.